How to disable password on Shopify. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up any browser you have and then navigate to your Shopify admin page. Once you do that, click on the three lines at the top left of the screen. And from the Sales Channels section, click on your store, then click on Preferences. And here you need to scroll all the way down to Password Protection section. And from here, as you can see, my store has a password. But the note says that to remove this password, you need to pick a plan, meaning that even if I removed it and wanted to click save, it won't save the changes because you need to purchase a plan in order to do that. And unfortunately, this is the only way to do so right now, and there's no free way, only paid one to delete the password. So that was it for this video. That's how you can remove your Shopify store password. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.